Hello and welcome, traders. Back with another market analysis for tomorrow's session. In today's video, we are breaking down the Nifty 50, which closed today at 25,327.75, up about 178 points. We have a clear set of resistance and support levels to plan our trades, and I'm going to give you a complete game plan for the morning. We'll cover three key things. 1. The high probability trading range for tomorrow. 2. The key breakout and breakdown levels you must watch. 3. And a simple, actionable strategy for both bullish and bearish. Nifty tomorrow, trade plan or key levels. Understanding today's close or immediate levels first, let's look at where we stand. The index closed at 25,327.75. Now, if you look at the data, the immediate trading levels are almost identical. We have a sell level at 25,323.55 and a buy level also around 25,323.55. This is fascinating. It tells us that the market is in a state of equilibrium right at this very point. The battle between the bulls and the bears is perfectly. The first 15 to 30 minutes of tomorrow's trade will be crucial to see who wins this battle. But to get a bigger picture, we need to look at the classic support and resistance pillars, the pivot points. Let's deep dive, support or resistance levels. Alright, let's get into the meat of the analysis, the pivot points. Starting with resistance. R1:25 424. This is our first and most immediate resistance. A sustained move above this could trigger a run towards R2:25 519 and R3:25 577. These are the next key hurdles. If the market is bullish tomorrow, watch for how it behaves around R3. But the big one, the major resistance zone, is between R5:25 693 and R6:25 751. This is a sell zone for aggressive traders. If the market reaches here without strong momentum, it's a high probability area for a pullback. Now, let's talk support. S1:25 234. This is our first major support. A break below this, and we could see a slide down to S2:25 134. This is a critical level. It's not just a support, it's a gate. If this level breaks, the bearish momentum will likely accelerate. Below that, we have S3 ratio 25,044 in the major support cluster around S5:24 864 and S6:24 779. This S5 to S6 zone is the buy zone for any deep. It's a high probability area for the bulls to defend. Coming to tomorrow's trading strategy or scenarios. So, how do we trade this? Let's map out two clear scenarios. Scenario 1, bullish or buying strategy trigger. The market opens flat or slightly positive and holds above the immediate support at 25,234, which is S1 action. Look for buying opportunities on dips towards S1 or on a breakout above R1, that is 25,424 with volume. Target, initially R2, which is 25,519, and then R3 25,577. Stop loss. A close below 25,134, which is S2, would invalidate the bullish setup. Scenario 2, bearish or selling strategy trigger. The market opens weak or fails to sustain above 25,424, which is R1 action. Look for selling opportunities on a break below 25,234, which is S1, or on a rise towards the strong resistance zone of 25,693 to 25,751 R5 to R6 target. Initially S2, that is 25,134, and then S3, which is 25,044. Stop loss. A close above 25,577, which is R3, would signal stronger bullish strength and invalidate the bearish view. The key takeaway? The range between S2, which is 25,134, and R3, which is 25,577, is our battleground. A breakout on either side will give us the next big direction. Let's do a super quick recap before we go. Bullish signal, hold above 25,234, target 25,500 to 25,700. Bearish signal, break below 25,134, target 25,000 to 24,800. Sell zone, 25,690 to 25,750. Buy zone 24,860 to 24,780. Also, keep an eye on Bank Nifty. It often leads the direction for the Nifty, so its movement will confirm our bias. And that's the plan, traders. A clear, level-based approach to tackle tomorrow's market. If you found this helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of market analysis. Let me know in the comments, what's your take? Are you bullish or bearish for tomorrow?